Hi guys and welcome back to a new video. My name is Martina and this is the secret craft room. As most of you probably know by now, I love making monster plants for Halloween. So today I am showing you how I made these cute prickly boos. Please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. I am making my cacti with foam clay and I started with the body. Once I was happy with the shape, I added a metal stick and then I let it dry overnight. Next I made the arms the same way, but I attached them before I let everything dry again. Next I started working on a planter for my little prickly friends. I used this skull silicone mold and filled all the skulls with hot glue. Then I glued them in place on the planter. To fill up the spaces between the skulls, I added these spiky beads. I used my heat gun to get rid of all the loose strings of hot glue. Next I mixed black acrylic paint, Mod Podge and baking soda and added it to the planter by stippling it on to create a lot of texture. I did 2 layers of this, letting each layer dry in between. Then I marked out the eyes and mouth on the cacti and used my Dremel tool to carve them out. I also used sandpaper to smooth everything out a bit. Then I mixed a dark green shade of acrylic paints and also a bit of Mod Podge. I like to mix in Mod Podge in the first layer of paint when painting foam clay because sometimes the paint sort of rubs off when adding the other layers. Then I used a makeup sponge to sponge on a lighter shade of green. I did this in several thin layers until I was happy with how it looked. I also added a thin coat of yellow the same way. Then I added a coat of green blacklight paint. Next I made some tiny spots with an off-white shade. To make the spines, I cut small pieces of fishing line. I added 3 pieces at each white spot. I used a regular pin needle to make a hole, then I dipped the end of the fishing line piece in white glue and then I added it. Then I painted the spines with the same off-white shade, and then of course I also added white blacklight paint to them. Then I painted the eyes and mouth black. To finish the planter, I dry brushed dark grey paint over everything. Then I used a lighter shade of grey and dry brushed the skulls with it. I forgot to film it, but I added a coat of matte Mod Podge to both the planter and the cacti to protect the paint. Please don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you like spooky plants for Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.